Hello, my friends from across the world. I hope you guys are having a blessed day. So let's go ahead and show you this power bank. So I can feel it in my hand. It feels heavy duty. So this is a 65-watt power bank made out of metal. It has a digital display, quick charge. It's a 20,000 mAh battery. It's 2 inputs and 3 outputs. You have PD3.0 quick charge, 3.0 two-way fast charge. Without further ado, let's check this out. I love power banks. Power banks are one of my most favorite things to review because I love seeing the different styles that companies are coming out with. And this is the first brand that I've ever reviewed that makes metal power banks. I'm sure there's plenty of brands out there. It's just I haven't reviewed them yet. Oh yeah. That is nice. It's like a blue blue metal. That is really sharp. That is really nice. On the front, you have 2 USB ports. You have a micro port and a Type-C port. Power button on the side. Let's take this off here. So little screen protector. Press the power. It lights up. Nice red. It's a crisp red. I like to put products on the spot and to the test. Here we go. Charging rapidly. So it is a quick charge, and as you guys can see, it's connected to the power bank. So now that is just going to continue to go down while our phone goes up. Overall, it's very nice. And as you can see, it's a little bigger than our phone. Now our phone has a case. So we put our case on here. It's pretty close. In fact, this is actually not as wide. Our phone is wider with the case than this. So we put it to the edge. Look at that. Look how wide our phone is versus this. And it's still 20,000 mAh power capacity. Incredible.